everyone, I'm Stevie with Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about the similarities and differences between our spray-on detailers, Speed Shine and Best to Show Detailer. You may already be familiar with Speed Shine as it's a long-time customer favorite, but Best to Show Detailer is relatively new to the game. Both these products excel at quick cleanups, dusting, and general paint maintenance between full-service washes, but they each have their own personalities. Speed Shine is one of our original car care products. Its high-lubricity formula is ideal for clay lubrication, dust and fingerprint removal, and for intermittent cleaning between washes. It offers no type of wax protection and is purely a highly lubricated, super safe cleaner that can be used daily to maintain your car's shine. Best to Show Detailer has the same light cleaning capability of Speed Shine, however, it has an advanced polymer component mixed in. So Best to Show Detailer offers more finish enhancement, adding more color depth and clarity, and increasing the gloss and slickness of the surface to add more pop to your paint. Best to Show Detailer isn't ideal for use as a clay bar lubricant because its formula is too slick, robbing paint clay of its ability to loosen and remove embedded contaminants. That being said, one of the Best to Show Detailer's biggest benefits is its ability to flash fast and work on warm paint, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. When applying Best to Show Detailer in sunlight or on a warm surface, work in smaller sections, spray a light mist, and wipe with fast passes for best results. The choice of detailer often comes down to personal preference, but maximizing your results is all about your technique. We recommend a 2-towel application. Simply mist your preferred detailer onto the paint and use a microfiber plush edgeless towel to wipe and remove dust and dirt. Then follow up with a PFM detailing towel or PFM terry weave towel to buff and dry. When wiping and buffing, hold the edge of the towel and drag the bent portion of the towel across the paint using gentle straight line passes. But do not put any pressure on the towel. Let the microfiber do all the work. Then take a step back and enjoy the view. Thank you for watching. For more information on any of our spray and wipe detailers, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.